Hey everyone, so I just want to update you on what I'm trying to do today. I took over my son's room when he moved out and went to college, but he is actually home right now for the holiday. So he's going to be here till probably the middle of January. I also have family that is staying in my home in my guest room. So when my son moved to college, I took over his room for my office and my craft supply room because my husband, who is now working remote for work, had to take over my home office. So whatever. Anyway, I have a game room area out here and I have a very large master bedroom, and I'm probably going to switch a few things around so that I can move things into this room and make this room my office / master bedroom. Put this couch that I'm sitting on right now out into my game room, and then take my stuff out of my son's room and keep his stuff in his room. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to show you what we're doing, and probably make more sense to you once I start showing you what I'm filming. So anyway, that's what's happening. So wish me luck. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, I know it's huge. That's why we bought the house. This is my master bedroom. It's where the bed is. I have a small desk over here, and then I have this couch here, big rug area. I'm going to put this cover on this couch because it's old and nasty, and I'm going to move this couch out into my game room. So this area, hopefully, if I can make it fit, I have a kitchen table that was my mother's. I'm going to put that kitchen table there and move all of my office stuff into this area. So now I'm going to show you where that table is. Okay, so this table right here is the table I'm planning on moving into the master bedroom. My son's stuff is on it right now, so I'm going to end up having to move that out. But here's my game room. Say hi, Caitlin. The dogs are here, and then I'm going to move that into my bedroom over here. Now let me show you what's going on with this. Okay, this is real life. This is my son's bedroom. He's home from college, so it's a little bit of a mess. But this computer right here belongs to me. All of the stuff that's in this belongs to me. This, that stuff, these things right here, I have to move them all out because he needs to have his room back, and I also need to have the space to do work that I'm going to do, so we are going to take that out. Okay, so I got this off Amazon. It is a kind of cover for this very old, nasty couch. It's just old, but we're going to go ahead and cover this, and then I'm going to move it out into that room over there. So I do want to let you guys know, I was kind of tucking this in somewhat quickly, and that one arm on the right side, which is going to drive you crazy if it drives you as crazy as it drives me, I get that taken care of later. And here comes the hubby to help me get that couch out of the room. And then now just for a quick vacuum over of this area. I'm bored to death on the job. I'm sick of walking this dog. It's like I live in a fog. Tonight I want something new. So now we are dragging this table into the bedroom and setting it up. I was so excited that that came through the door. And then it does have 4 chairs, but I put them off to the side like this, and then 2 in the front because I'm not sitting at like an actual table, but I had to have a place to put the chairs. I hope that makes sense. And now just a quick vacuuming over here. That area in the corner still has paperwork that I have to at some point in my life go through, so I promise, get to that eventually. It's one of those things I'm putting off. And I'm sure you don't blame me. Okay, so this is what we have so far for this. still need to work on cleaning that mess up. And I have a little sitting area. And then this other sitting area. Hey, Caitlin. All right. Hi, pups. On to the next. So now I'm just setting up the computer on this table, and I'm also going to leave space for other items to go on this table. I'm just kind of figuring out how to make it work best for me, but right now I'm just gonna take, I guess, half or an end of the table. Oh, Caitlin came in just for a second. She was going to help me, but then she decided it wasn't worth helping me. I love her so much. By the way, don't forget, Caitlin is special needs. If you see her doing something that looks a little strange, it's because she's special needs, but whatever. She's a joy. And now I'm just sitting in the spot to make sure that everything is going to be kind of where I want it, so I can reach everything and see pretty well while I'm doing my video editing, because that's where I do all my video editing and voiceovers. Okay, so this is how it ended up. Sorry for the glare, but I moved my little computer over here. Have this area here. I'll probably put the Cricut here when I need to use it. And then let me walk you out here. And we've got this area over here with the couch. Caitlin's got hiccups.
It's not funny.
The couch area. And then part of his stuff is all on the table over here. But I left my Cricut stuff in his room, but he now has his area back. Like I said, I left my Cricut stuff in here, but he's got his area back to put his computer and stuff down, and that's where my Cricut is. So that's what I've got going on. Okay, so sorry, I don't even have like makeup or jewelry on or anything like that because I've been moving stuff all over this house. But basically what I wanted to say, my lesson learned here, is that if you've got a child that has gone off to college, you think you've got some empty nest thing going on, and you try and take over their space, you might need to consider if they're gonna come back home for break or whatever. He has an apartment, he can stay down there, but he wants to stay up here, and I am more than happy to have him. So I moved as much as I could out of his room. I did leave my Cricut stuff in there, but I'll show you more videos. If I end up moving all that stuff out, I probably need to do a little bit more decluttering and putting things where they belong. I really shouldn't have my stuff in other people's rooms. That's kind of a rule that I have, but we're gonna work through that. But I just wanna let you know, keep that in mind. So I will see you guys in the next one. I will be doing some more organizing. I have a few areas that I'd like to hit up. And again, you know, my family is also staying here, so I'm preparing for when they also move out, but also trying to make room for them for while they're here. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.